Alright, let's take a look at PA2. Alright, let's start it up. And here you'll see I have 3 aliens, 3 alien sprites, a Stitch, and then there are 7 Angry Birds sprites moving around here. So let's really quick take a look at the debug output. So first I set up my managers. The texture is defaulted with 3 in reserve and it refills at 1. The images starts with 4, refills at 2, and the sprites starts with 10 in reserve and refills at 3. So after initializing them, I'll load the textures and dump the data. I only have 3 textures here, bird, Stitch, and aliens. So we should have 3 on active, 0 on reserve, and we do. Then I load the Angry Birds images. I've got 7 birds here, so I've got 7 on active, 1 on reserve. We see the uninitialized reserve here. Then I will add Stitch, take that one off reserve. Now there's nothing on reserve, it is empty, and there are 8 on the active, Stitch being the first one. Then I add 3 aliens, so I have to do a refill here, and again I refill the image manager at 2, and I'm doing 3 aliens, so there's going to be 2 refills here, so I have 11 on active, and there's 1 on the reserve here. You can see the first 3 are the aliens, and 1 on the reserve, and then I start loading the sprites. So I have 10 in reserve to start, so the first Angry Birds put 7 on active, there's 3 left on the reserve, those are uninitialized. Then I add Stitch, so we go to 8 and 2, and then I add the 3 aliens, and because the sprite manager refill is at 3, I should have 2 on the reserve, and I've got 11 on the active, the first 3 of those being the aliens. And then I just print out the window size.